YouTube has officially started giving major priority to vertical streams in the Shorts algorithm, which creates a massive opportunity for creators to get discovered. The absolute best strategy for growth right now is to stream your main horizontal feed and a vertical feed simultaneously, hitting both your long-form subscribers and new Shorts viewers at once. I am going to walk you through exactly how to set this up in your broadcasting software so you can reach both audiences effortlessly. First things first, you need to head over to the main website for your broadcasting software and download both the Vertical plugin and the Multiple Output plugin. If you are running on a 64-bit Windows system, make sure you specifically grab the installer executable to ensure everything runs without any compatibility errors. You should install both of these plugins completely before you do anything else, and make sure that your broadcasting application is closed during the process. If you happen to have your software open while you are installing those updates, make sure to perform a full restart so the plugins can load their configurations properly. Once your software is back up and running, navigate to your Tools or Plugins menu to verify that both the Multiple Output and the Vertical plugins are fully enabled. After you confirm they are active, head over to your YouTube Studio account and open the Live Stream Settings tab. You need to create a brand new stream key for both of your outputs, so make sure you generate one specifically for your main landscape feed and another for your vertical feed. I highly recommend naming these keys something very obvious, like main horizontal and Shorts vertical, so you do not accidentally confuse them while setting up. For the horizontal stream, simply copy the server URL and the stream key and paste them into your primary broadcasting stream settings just like you normally would. If YouTube is a secondary target for you, open the Multiple Output plugin. Click to add a new target and paste the details for your main stream right into that field. Now, return to your studio dashboard, select the vertical stream key you generated, and copy that specific server URL and stream key. Open up your vertical plugin settings within the software and enable the stream by pasting in those new credentials. That is essentially all it takes, and now your computer will push two distinct streams to your channel simultaneously every time you go live. One of my best pro tips is to set your vertical canvas to the standard resolution of 1080 by 1920, which is ideal for mobile viewing. You should also run a quick test stream while setting the visibility to private or unlisted so you can verify your audio and video synchronization. Check your bitrate settings carefully because streaming to multiple locations simultaneously will consume significantly more of your available upload bandwidth. If you notice that a stream refuses to start, double-check that you copied the correct keys and try a full restart of your broadcasting application. Sometimes firewalls or corporate networks can block outbound connections, so investigate your local logs if the connection continues to fail. Now we need to address the million-dollar question, which is how to turn all of that live footage into content without spending all night editing. This is where using an AI-powered platform like Vizard completely changes your workflow and saves you hours of tedious work every single week. The software is designed to automatically scan through your long-form streams and identify the most high-energy, viral-worthy moments. It does the hard part for you by cleaning up the footage, trimming the dead air, and formatting everything to fit the vertical mobile aspect ratio. You no longer have to manually listen for every single laugh or highlight because the artificial intelligence finds those exact spots for you. Beyond just clipping, you can also use their auto-scheduling feature to queue up your posts for the entire week. It is honestly the best way to maintain a consistent presence across all your channels without having to manually export every single clip. Their integrated content calendar allows you to see everything in one place, so you can manage your captions and posting times with ease. Many other platforms are either too expensive or force you into generic templates that never really look like high-quality live clips. Vizard combines the auto-editing, scheduling, and content management into one single powerful flow that is actually built for creators. For your first workflow, simply stream as you normally would, and then upload the full recording to the platform once you finish. Let the platform auto-detect the highlights, then spend a few minutes reviewing the titles and captions before hitting that publish button. If you want even more control, you can drop timestamps or markers during your live stream whenever something big happens. Those markers help the artificial intelligence prioritize your best moments, which makes the final clipping process go much faster. You can also lean into the auto schedule feature, where you just tell the system how many clips you want per week and it handles the rest. To make your vertical stream look professional, I suggest creating a specific vertical scene collection in your broadcasting software with centered webcams. Also, make sure you use a separate scene collection for your horizontal stream so that your branded overlays do not get cut off. If your internet connection feels a bit shaky, you can run a lower resolution on the vertical stream to ensure the connection stays stable. The beauty of this setup is that you are building a discovery engine that is constantly working for you in the background. Your vertical streams feed the algorithm to bring in new viewers, and your repurposed clips act as evergreen content that keeps them coming back. To recap, install your plugins, set up your stream keys, do a test run, and then use artificial intelligence to handle your distribution. It is the smartest, laziest way to get the absolute most reach out of every single hour you spend live on air. If you are serious about growing your channel, but you absolutely hate the manual editing process, this is the workflow you need. Do one test stream this week, play with the editing settings, and you will be shocked at how many clips you have ready to post. That is the exact workflow I use. Stream once, publish everywhere, and let the technology do the heavy lifting while I focus on my audience.